Morning.
Good resisting.
We are going to spend a day at the beach together. Get your excuses ready.
Oi, just the man.
Fresh hell now.
I sent Steve some paintings for Lear and Lucas. The prison are withholding them.
The paint's probably toxic.
Yeah, but he's desperate. It does get lonely in there, you know.
Some would say peaceful. Yes, I will deal with it today.
Right, brilliant. Thank you, James. Knew I could rely on you.
I trust you kept your mealy mouth shut.
For now.
Oh, you want money?
So do we have a deal?
I'll have a check for you by the end of the day.
Whoa, watch it.
Sorry. All right?
Yeah, just about.
It's a lot of bread.
Tell me about it. It's for the pub. Pretty short staff these days. I haven't got time to nip round to the cash and carry every time I want. There you go, Raquel.
Look, about me quitting my job. I was being a bit of a hothead the other day. I didn't know what I was thinking.
Were you thinking that you might not have to pay back your advance on your wage?
No, I totally forgot about that.
Well, that's funny, because I didn't.
Look, I'll pay it back dead soon.
Well, that's a start. Otherwise, it might be a bit tricky, bumping into each other in here.
Yeah.
Might have to get Anita to come round and pick up my papers in the morning. Listen, Hunter, I'm not a bitter man, okay? Apology accepted. Shake on it. Come on. Cheers. Well, that wasn't hard, was it, huh?
No? I better go.
Listen, there is an easier way to pay back your debt.
Really?
Having your job back instead.
Nice one.
Right. Get the dog ASAP. We've got a barbecue. Hence all the buns.
But now's not convenient. I've got plans.
Well, cancel it. You owe me, remember? Got a busy day.
It's ruined, destroyed. Mark, I'm just grabbing a bottle of Prosecco to share with the girls after yoga. What are you doing here?
I sent you a text.
Oh, my phone's on silent.
So, the good news is, Mac gave me my job back.
Wow.
The bad news, I have to work today.
Oh, what? You're joking.
I know, but I can't mess him around again.
I've just told him I'm doing a yoga masterclass. I'm free the whole day now.
I know, I'm sorry, I'm an idiot.
I had such plans.
Did you?
Yeah, I'm all packed. Got the drinks, the sun cream. I found my favourite bikini.
Yeah,
It's hot pink.
I bet it is.
And I was looking forward to seeing you in those shorts again. I've been thinking about us two just lying there under the sun, just chilling.
I'm dead sorry.
I thought we could find a secluded beach somewhere. Maybe even another cove.
Mac's outside.
Don't tell me you don't want more.
Of course I do.
So what are you going to do about it?
We could do tomorrow.
No.
No.
Today. The weather. Got the whole day to ourselves. Absolutely no one to get in our way.
What am I gonna do?
You're going to find a way to join me. Go on. I dare you.
Hey, be careful. It's an expensive bit of kit. I don't want it ending up in the river like the last one.
It's broken.
What?
No, look, really. It's well dodgy. I think we're all like that. Best cancel that barbecue.
Joking. Give it in.
I'll get gone. You won't need me now.
No, wait a sec. Wait, I do need you. Right, the meat's marinating. The sun's going to be shining. I want you to go inside and cut up those burger buns. I'll fix this. Hi, darling.
Hi.
Listen, why don't you cancel that yoga class? I mean, the barbecue's going to be great.
No, I was really looking forward to it.
Why don't you do anything?
I've got stomach cramps.
What?
I think I'm gonna be sick.
No, don't you be sick on the patio.
Oh, you're definitely gonna be sick. I'm going home, sorry.
Come on. I don't get it. It's like he doesn't want to be here. You sure this is a good idea?
Sorry?
A sweaty yoga studio on a day like today.
Oh, they've got air conditioning.
Yeah? Well, maybe I'll come with you then.
What, you doing Ashtanga?
Yeah, you're right. Hurry back, okay?
Don't work too hard.
Mia, help me. I've done my back. Quick.
Are you all right?
No, gently. Oh, that's it.
Scum always rises to the surface.
I'd be careful if I were you.
As if that's going to help. You're not even a copper anymore.
That's only a matter of time.
I don't think so. I'm gonna get you.
You've been ages.
Where's your mum?
Oh, she's given Hilton a bath.
How is she?
Good. Please tell me you haven't got into a fight.
I've just been for a long drive.
And that's all.
That's all.
Oh, you're amazing. Don't ever forget that.
First time for everything.
Tea and crumpets?
Oh, perfect.
You sure you're okay?
Yeah, I'm fine now.
It's mine.
Not anymore.